right, folks, what we got here is a 2019 Toyota Corolla SE. You want to check out the cabin air filter. All right, you want to change it? We're going to check it right here. It's in the glove box, as in most cabin filters. We're going to open it up. There's a little tiny shock over here that just popped off to the side. Okay, put that out of the way. And over here on the left and the right, what you have to do is just squeeze these panels into the side like this. Okay, just squeeze it off to the side, and this whole door is going to come out like that. Okay, I covered the contents to protect the innocent. And in there, right there, is where the cabin filter is. All right, now let's see here. Got a flashlight here to show it to you a little better. There you go. All right, that's where the cabin filter is. There's a little clip right here, and that's just going to slide right out of that little tang. All right, so let's see if we can do this here. Let's see if I can prop this up for you on the seat, give you a little light. All right, squeeze the little tab here. This is just going to come out, and there you go. And there is the filter. Now, the first thing I noticed with the filter is kinked. What is wrong with that? It looks like somebody forced it in there. Let's see here. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to pull it out. Nice and easy, because sometimes there's dirt on top. And look, and oh, look at this. Looks like somebody forced it in there. You think that was actually doing any work? Of course not. It was going right past into that gap there. Holy macaroni. But yeah, you can see the dirt in there. Okay. It's in here. It's in this fold. Yeah. Time for a filter, people. Look at that. All right. Pretty darn dirty in there. And I even have it upside down. Look what it says, airflow. All right. Remember, it came in this way. So the airflow is going to be pointing down. Okay, so that's where the dirt is. It's going to need one. So for now, I'll text the customer, see what they want to do. But look at the way they installed it. They just threw it in there and didn't give a rat's you know what. Okay? It's got to be square, people. Got to put it in there nice and neat. I'm not going to put that one back. I'm going to ask her first. All right? Other than that, once you put it in there nice and neat, this is going to go into that little tiny tab. This is going to snap in. Okay? Glove box door has its two little tabs here. It's going to lean on this door. It's going to lean on this hinge here. And then you're going to snap it up and put the shock back on. And then you are good to go. All right? So that's how simple it is to change it. Okay? Just got to be careful with the customer's contents. You don't want them to all fall out. All right? So that's it. Thanks for watching, people. Ciao. They make two types. Right? They make two types. 1816 and 1950. Look at the difference. This is the 1950 on top. See it? The different size. Different size this way too. Okay, that's why they crushed it to make it fit. All right, let's get the right one now. I think one is the car's made in Japan, which is the bigger one. Then you get the little one. So this car uses the little one. That's why the other one was crushed to death. All right, let's get the right one, people. There you go, people. Get the right filter. It'll fit in like a glove. All right, should be no forcing of it. It should go right in like that. You don't feel the filter being crushed, just like the other one, because they put the wrong one in there. Okay, they make one for, I guess, Japan models and Canadian models and stuff like that. So that's what you have to look out for. That's what you have to install. Okay, that's it. Otherwise, you're going to have one that's crushed because they forced the crap out of it to make it fit. And then you got this whole gap of no filter. And you're all dirty. All right, that's it. Ciao. This is the one I used. CAF 1950P. All right, thanks for watching.